These videos are going to be purposefully short because I am going to walk you through exactly how I learned to trade options. I've found Robinhood to be the easiest platform to trade options. If you don't have options trading enabled, you want to go to account, and it's either going to be in settings or investing, and then look for enable options trading. When I teach math, I like to go over the vocabulary with my students because vocabulary is a large part of learning. So the first vocabulary we're going over is the strike price. The strike price is what I want the price of my company that I'm buying to be at as fast as possible. I don't really care about the break even or the percent to break even. And again, if you're here in the comments telling me what I should and should not be doing, go somewhere else because I'm explaining this stuff how I learned it. So right here, Robinhood does a nice job of telling you what the current share price is. And then this is the price that I get to buy my options contract at. And you have to know, every single time you buy an options contract, you are buying 100 shares of the stock. So you may be thinking, oh my gosh, you can buy Apple for $1.53. No, you are buying this contract at $1.53 times the automatic 100 shares that go with the contract. So all you're basically doing is moving that decimal over twice each time, and that's how much money you have to come up with. And that's where we're going to end this episode today. I make videos about building wealth along with a winning mindset because I believe that everybody deserves to be happy and everybody deserves to be free. If you enjoyed the video and if you learned something today, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video with somebody. Let's learn this options game together in baby steps. This is exactly how I learned it, step by step. Trading options instead of buying stocks is a complete game changer. I want everybody to have access to these wealth building tools because oftentimes we think that only rich people can do this stuff, this crazy thing called building wealth. This money is out here for everybody. If you have questions, please ask them in the comments. Stay tuned for all the other videos that follow this one. And until the next one, remember to smile because you are beautiful. Peace.